Hi plant people. I'm going to be doing my raised beds today. I'm in my patio right now. Can't really see, but these are my long neglected raised beds. Today I'm going to start to amend the soil, make the soil happy, take out the old dying stuff, put in new, happy, healthy veggies and herbs. And it also happens to be election day here in the States. Feeling a bit anxious about that, so I'm going to channel all my nervous energy into the garden. Dun 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 dun, something I can control since I already voted. Okay, so let's get cracking. I'm sweaty. I'm quite sweaty. So the update is that I've taken out all the crops that did not need to be there and did not want to be there anymore. Tilled the soil with one of these. And I made a mix of gypsum and like fertilizer soil. And I kind of smell like chicken poop. I think I've got a few more steps before I can do the fun part of planting the new plants in the beds, but making good progress, feeling good. Does it smell like chicken poop and worm poop and you want to eat it? You want a treat? You could have a treat. If you come in the house, you could have a treat. Oh, he's so cute. And there you have it. This is everything planted in the dirt. The bigger plants were there already, and I planted flowers, lettuce, cabbage. Some wild strawberries were growing. I planted a few new kales. Have beets, lemongrass, mint, more beets, and rosemary. This is bed number 2, mostly flowers and lettuce. Have delicious salad for days. And bed number 3 is mostly strawberries and some cute flowers. Ta-da!